again, and thanks for joining Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations. Well, I'm back to work for a couple of days from tomorrow, but I just thought I'd quickly show you a bit of an update to what I plan to do with the Piaggio Ciao this week. As I say, I will start filming it properly from Friday, as I'm working Wednesday, Thursday. But let me just show you what I've been doing, and then I will carry on with this video once I'm off again Friday or Saturday. And I just wanted to give you a bit of an update how far I've got with it and what I'm doing. So come just have a quick look and what my next plans are. Right, well, the frame is obviously upside down now. I've put the handlebars on, the new ones, just temporary, just to support it. I painted the what's it called, stand, that was in hammerite. I painted a few other little bits, this little panel here. The suspension's back in. That was quite hard work on my own, but I've done that. And I thought, well, whilst I'm doing it, I've ordered from Performance Parts. These are the little rubber stoppers that'll go in there. The other ones were okay, but they were old, so I thought, oh, they were about £4, but they were £4 on eBay, and yet something like £36 delivery. I thought, yeah, right. So I've bought these ones from Performance Parts, and it was about £6 altogether. So that's, at least they're going to be done. But I'm looking at doing the front first, getting the wheel done, mudguard on whilst it's upside down. But I had a quick look at the wheel yesterday. If you look at it, it's places like that. You think, oh, it's actually not bad. You could get away with it. Bring it around here a bit. You can see the pitting and the rust, which I think I could leave it, but it's not for me. So plan is now I will sand all this back smooth and paint this, take the tile off, obviously. The brake unit is in there. The brakes are fine, so all this can be cleaned and painted, and then I won't do the back one just yet because I've still got all that gearbox bit to do first. So basically that's the update. I will be sanding this down, and hopefully we can get it in paint in a couple of days time, and that can go back on. I'll get the mudguard polished up as well, and we can get the front sort of pretty much back together. Right, finally back after a couple of days work, and yesterday raining all day. I'm not going to do this today, but I just wanted to show you what I've done. I've actually just washed the whole panel inside and out. This is the side panels, where you can see it's a bit scraped, and that's not too bad. But what I'm going to do is probably in the week sand this back slightly, and then I've got some plastic paint for it, light grey, and but I'm still waiting for some plastic primer, which hopefully will be here in the next few days. So I can't really do much with that. The little sticker that was originally on there, this is the Vespa moped one that used to go up there. It just looked a bit stuck on. So I don't know what you think on this. This is I got it from AliExpress. It's basically 3D letters, Piaggio. I like to put it on here, but on the other side is one of these bolt things here, so I'm gonna have to put it where this one went, and it does seem to fit on there. So I'll have Piaggio on there once this is all done. So that's that little update there. And if I bring you up here slightly, last week when I sanded all the wheel down with the wild wheel, the flat wheel as well, and also the electric file, which was able to get some of it. So it's actually all smooth, and I put it into etch primer. It's all masked off in here where the brakes are. So today I'm going to get a bit of silver paint on, hopefully, and then I'll need to lacquer it, and then I'll leave that overnight. Tomorrow I'll try and get the tyre on, and we can get it back onto the front forks tomorrow. I'll just briefly show you what I've done as well yesterday. This is the mudguard, which I gave a good wash and clean yesterday. I can put this back on shortly as well, but I will need to clean these up first, and that they hold the bolted onto the frame or the forks. So it's actually not bad for its age, so it's not worth doing anything to that. Just cleaned it up. I can probably give it a little bit of a polish, but that's that. So today I'm going to get on and get this into silver, get some lacquer on, I hope I've got enough paint. It's supposed to be 400 ml, but I might have to get another one. So I just put one coat on. You'll see what's happening. As I say, I don't like to bore you with painting, but you can see what I've got to do. Okay, just put the mask on. I'll just do a little bit, as you know. I don't like to keep showing you this, it's boring, but let's see how this goes on. It's alloy wheel spray paint, silver gloss. Remove scratches, scuffs and from alloy wheels. We'll see. I'll take that off first. Right, let's see how we get on. Yeah, not too bad, it's going on alright. So I'll carry on with this. As I say, it's very boring, and I can concentrate getting it right. So I'll come back to you shortly. Right, I left it about 20 minutes. It's actually in the sort of fairly warmish sun at the moment, so which is good. It's sort of dry now, so I'm going to use what I had left over from the bodywork, this 2K clear lacquer. So I'll put probably one coat on that now. It's quite a windy day, of course it would be, there's always something wrong. So I'll just do a little bit. Obviously you don't need to see this, but I'll just do a little bit, let it dry the first coat, puts another coat on, and it should look quite nice then. So let's just get this first coat on. Okay, I'll get on, finish that off with a few coats, and then I'll come back to you, and that'll be ready. Let that dry overnight. Once it's dryish, I'll take it indoors and dry overnight. We get the tile back on tomorrow, get it back onto the frame. So I'll carry on doing this lacquering and be back to you shortly. Okay, so that's the lacquer on now. Yeah, it's definitely made a difference. It makes it nicer, a deeper shine, like a more alloy wheel effect. So that's let that hang up to dry overnight. All I've got to do now, excuse me moving you about here, this just needs to be cleaned up now. This is the brake hub. Just clean that up, and I'll spray that, clean all this up. You can see the pads on the shoes are actually they're very good. So I will just give this a clean, and then give that a paint. So that can be left in a moment to dry overnight once I get that done. So that's the wheel done. Tomorrow I'm going to come back, we'll try and get the wheel on, we get the mud guard on, and get it tipped back up on its front wheel then, I suppose. Next day now, wheel's dry. I've got the tyre on now. So before I can get the wheel back on, I'm just going to get the mud guard in position here. This just goes on the other side of these the things that hold the brake calipers on. So what have we got for this one? These two here. Okay, so just tighten them up slightly. I was going to put some nuts on there with the inserts, but they should have arrived yesterday, but they didn't. But never mind. Okay, and that one. So I'll tighten them up in a minute. And then just down here, we've got the bolts that go through here, hold the bottom bit on. So it's actually easier being upside down at the moment. So where's the holes? Get that in there. There we go. I'll put a sort of lock washer on there. I hope there's enough thread on that. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so I'll get the other one on. I'll get these two tightened up and we'll try and get the wheel on. Right, so over here I actually scrubbed the wheel or the tyre last night. It's actually very good condition, absolutely nothing wrong with it. And so I cleaned that or polished, painted that little bit yesterday afternoon at the end there. So obviously that's the brake side. Now I'm working opposite here, but over here I've also got the cable for the what do they call it, speedometer. So I've greased it all up inside again. It's all clean, as are the bearings in here as well. So we just slip that over. I've got a bit of cleaning up to do again here, haven't I? And that should fit over there nicely into that little hole there. Right, so let's try and get the wheel on. I've still got these nuts, wheel nuts I need to polish up in a minute, but let's just try and get the wheel on. I'll just put it back on the stand again. Right, okay, so we get the wheel in there now. There's got a little bit of a lug on that one. It has to slide somehow into there, which stops the brakes spinning. There we go, that's in. That's in. Right, okay, so I just need to polish up these nuts, the main wheel nuts, and then hopefully that side's done for now. That's the wheel nuts polished up as best as possible, and so that's all working now. So what I'm going to do is try and tip it over. Hopefully it will stay on the stand with the wheel. So we'll see. Let me get this turned over. Right, okay, so it's now tipped up the right way now. So it's, well, starting to look something, isn't it? It's nice to get at least one wheel on. I've wedged it between there for now so that it can sit on the stand. Yeah, so it's been a bit of a rush this week, trying to get everything sorted, and the wife's here looking after our granddaughter, so she's calling me every 5 minutes, well, both of them. So yeah, I was hoping to do a bit more. I still got these side panels I wanted to do, but I think I'll have to leave it for today because it's getting quite near the deadline. It's Sunday already, so normally I've had it done 2 or 3 days before. But that'll do for now. At least the front wheel's on, and we'll carry on next time. We can't go without saying goodbye to Bundled Bear here. She likes to be scratched. Yeah, I did hope to do a little bit more, as I said, but I've just stopped this last little bit for the wife saying yeah. So, but anyway, so she's going out now, so I've got a bit of peace. So I'll get this edited very shortly, get it out today, and we'll come back next week. I'll try and think of something to do. Probably the side panels, maybe. I've still got to fill that little hole. Maybe we can get the handlebars on properly or something like that. But anyway, so have a good evening. You take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.